how to make an abandoned cart email flow on Klaviyo. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can make an abandoned cart email flow on Klaviyo. So the process is very easy. All that you guys need to do is simply come on to klaviyo.com, and then after that, from your dashboard, click on the top right where it says create campaign, and then click on email, then click on create campaign, and then after that you guys just have to choose the name of your email campaign. Over here you guys can type in abandoned cart email flow, and then after that choose the tags, and then choose the recipients, then choose the tracking and click on continue to content. And then after that, from over here you'll have to put in the relevant information that is needed for you guys to basically start sending out these emails. So over here it's gonna ask you for a few more information, so I'm gonna basically choose from over here newsletter, then click on continue to Gmail, and then after that on the subject line you have to put in abandoned cart email flow or whatever it is that you guys want to put in over here. So I'm gonna simply put in abandoned cart, and then after that just simply put that in over here as well. From over here I'm gonna click on text only, and then now from over here you are gonna get the option to basically preview your email. Now from over here you guys can modify it, and from the left side you guys can simply access all of your email templates by simply clicking on it, and you can also type in over here for any specific template that you guys might want to find. So guys, that is how you can create abandoned cart email workflow using Klaviyo. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.